Hello guys, welcome to my channel Teach Something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix Windows 11 update error code 0xca00a009. So how can fix this type of error? And let's get started. Before starting of the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, in this video tutorial I will share a couple of methods to fix this type of error. The first method is that first of all going to your settings of your Windows. After doing this step, go to your troubleshoot, go to your other troubleshooters, go to your Windows update and click on run. Click and close it. The second method is that in the search box type a services, open a services, find out a Windows update, open it and make sure that it's selected the automatic. Click on start button, click on apply and OK and close it. I hope your problem is fixed, but if your problem is still, then you can try a third method. The third method is that in the search box type a cmd, open a command prompt, right click, run as administrator. After doing this step, type a command is net space stop space WUAUSERV and press enter. After that, type a command is net space stop space crypt svc cryptsvc and press enter. After that, type a command is net space stop space bits and press enter. After that, type a command is ren c column backslash windows backslash software distribution space software distribution.old. Sorry, once again type a command is c ren space c column forward slash windows forward slash software distribution space software distribution.old. After doing this, type a command is ren space c column forward slash windows backslash system32 backslash cat root 2 space cat root 2.old. After doing this, type a command is net space start space WUAUSERV and press enter. After doing this, type a command is net space start space script svg and press enter. After that, type a command is net space start space bits. After that, type a exit and exit the command prompt. And after that, okay guys, the last method is that open any browser, go to your any search engine and type a Windows 11 download. Click on first link, scroll down and click on download now. Create Windows 11 is installation media. Click on download now. Save button. After doing this step, open it. Click on accept button. Click on next button. Select the ISO file. Click on next button. Save any location. The process will be started and it's required of a few hours to complete the process. After that, go to your save location. In my case, is in download section. So open it. Open a setup. Now after that, click on next button. Now after that, automatically restart your computer, and after restart your computer, your problem is fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thank for watching, and please subscribe my YouTube channel. Now you can see data. In my case is my PC does not currently meet Windows 11 system requirement, and if your computer is according to your Windows 11 requirement, then it's automatically restart your installed and restart your computer. After doing this step, your problem is fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thank for watching, and please subscribe my YouTube channel.